What's going on, YouTube? This is TerrenceRe. Wanted to give you a live market update on a trade I put on maybe about a couple hours ago. Um, I decided to go ahead and do a quick video. It's going to be real short and sweet. So basically, Tesla has earnings tomorrow. So it's not really a earnings trade, but earnings could be a catalyst to make the market move. So I'm gonna show you exactly what I did. I did a long call debit spread, and this is a cheap way to get involved in Tesla. It's an expensive stock right now, trading at $658. So you know, to trade that, even buy one share, you got to spend almost $700. So if you were to do 100 shares, you spending a lot of money. So let's take a look at what I got. Let's pull up the chart. All right. So what you should see right now, let's see if it's showing. There we go. Right here, basically, I'm gonna remove this so then that way you can see me do it from scratch. Let's remove, and I'll show you what I did to put this trade on. Remove that drawing, get that out of there, and let's just look at it. So basically, here we are today. It's already up, as you can see, about $15. This is what I would call, some people will call it a pennant or a triangle, either or, same thing. But basically, when you see these little patterns, and you're going to see it once I put these lines on it. I'll put little trend lines on it. Here, and you see, put another line here. And as you can see, we got something that looks like, I'm trying to make it sort of show up on the screen. There you go, something like that, right? And so basically, I like to draw my trend lines through the daily wicks, and I only pretty much do this on daily charts. I don't like to do it on smaller time frames, and I'll do a video about why maybe another time. So here you go, you got right here, and you can see on this last touch of this line right here, it kind of went up and it came down and stopped and didn't come all the way back down, and then you got a little break here. This will be considered, some people call, like a little bull flag. I can do a video in the future on some of these little setups, but I like to see the triangle. So I would like to see it break out of here after the announcement on earnings. Now, there's no guarantee. It could break down, but I think that it'll break to the top side, be bullish, and then go long. And I want to anticipate that break instead of wait. Some people will wait on it to break and then come back down. I don't want to do that. I'd rather put the trade on before then, get the pop, and make the money. So now let me show you the option that I put on based off of this setup. I came down to 39 days. I want to give myself an opportunity to be right? Give myself a little time. As you can see on the option chain, it's telling you that within these 39 days, there's an expected move of $85 for Tesla, plus or minus. And then that's done based on, option pricing and implied volatility. So I click right there in the middle of the chain. And as you can see, now I actually have it's moved down. I think when I put it on, it may have been a little bit closer to the money. But you can see right here, I bought the 670 strike, sold the 675 strike, and I paid, if you look down here, you'll see filled. I put this trade on at 1:14 p.m. Eastern time, and I paid a debit DB $2.34, which is $234. And you can see I'll put it on right now and then lock it in. I can even put how much I paid for it right there. And you can see I basically have a 55% chance of making, you can see it moving, and that's because but I got like basically estimate of 60% chance of making 50% of max profit. Max profit on this trade because it's a $5 wide spread. This is considered the box. Let me see if I can draw this up real quick. Every time I say I'm gonna do a quick video, it ends up being a little longer than I want it to be, but I don't think I'm gonna be as quick as I want. Here we go. This area right here is the box, right? So this box is $5 wide, 670 to 675. That is your total risk in the trade, right? So basically $500. I paid $234 for the trade. So that means that if I paid $234, that means that $266 is left. So the most I can make out of this trade is $266, which I'm not gonna hold it to try to make that. You can see it down here where it says max profit, max loss. So basically for me, I'll probably look to make $100 and get out of this trade. If I get that quick pop, I'll take profits and look to put capital somewhere else. So I hope you guys got something out of this. Once again, this is a you might hear bullish call spread, debit call spread, long call spread. However you want to. I paid for it, so I bought it. The most I can lose is 234, and the most I can make is 266. So hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. This is a live trade that I put on today. If you follow me in this trade, I'm making no guarantees. Trade at your own risk. I'm not your financial advisor, so be advised that once you put the trade on, you're taking the risk. You could lose all of the 234. But if you follow me and in this particular trade, and then I will make updates on it, and then I'll show you how not to lose the 234 because I'm not going to hold this the whole 39 days. And we got a real good probability of making some money on this trade, I think, anyway. So with that being said, thank you for your time. I hope you enjoyed the video. Share it to other people, get other people to watch, and comment in the section what you would like for me to see. If you like for me to do a class on this to show you exactly how to do something like this, comment in the comment section, and then I'll see what I could do. Peace.